I'm going to teach you how easy it is to operate a mini excavator. Let's go. Safety first, buckle up. To go forward, do this. To go backwards, do this. To go right, do this. To go left, do this. To swing the frame, do this. If you want better stability, bring down the blade like this. Now let's operate the arm. To lower the arm, do this. To extend the arm, do this. To open the bucket, do this. To close the bucket, do this. To move the arm left and right, do this. Now, let me know what project you'll use this. Let's go to work. Happy scooping!